Let's talk about tools. Tools in Google Docs, starting with spelling to the accessibility settings. In the spelling, so we check everything possibly that is in Google Docs, and here we can manage them, manage spelling. Okay, this check mark was only available, this tool was available in here, but you have more options in here. Okay, spelling and grammar check. So right now you can click again, and this one is the same as this option. And yeah, you have also its shortcut. And also you can turn off something like show spelling suggestions. You can turn it off. Show grammar suggestions. You can also turn it off. You can also go to your personal dictionary and add some word. Maybe if you want to add some word and then you want to later on, so the Google Doc understand it that it's your word and they don't review it. So you can add, for example, let me add my name. So there you go. I added my name. And then I added my last name. Yeah. So right now, they don't take it serious, okay? Of course, it's a name, that's why. Okay. And so that was it about the tools and personal dictionary. You can add some word, and then the Google Docs will not review it, okay? It says, well, it's correct, and you itself, you, him, or herself thought about it, and we don't need to worry about it. Okay, they skip over it. So that's about the personal dictionary. Word count is only counting your word in document. So you can click and you can see your pages, your count, your words, characters excluding the spaces. We have also display word count while typing. So you can click and you can walk and you can hit OK. Right now, it's counting whenever you type. Hi, for example, this is me, JM. So you can see there is 5 words, and you can click again, and you have tons of more information. So that's about the word count. Review suggested edits. So you can click, and for now, there's no suggested edits. And if someone comes again and they go to the suggesting and they review your document, so then this options would be useful. For now, this is not. Compare documents is a new options for us. We can compare documents. So you can click again and you have select the comparison document, and then you have attributes difference to, and then to this document, and then you can also include comments. So this is only good for comparing documents, two same documents that have little changes and they are close looking, but they're not completely look the same. Okay, so it's good for that. So that's comparison. It's a new options in Google Doc. Citation, we have also the citation. We can add citations like these things, these format, and you can click again and you can say, well, it's a website or something else, or it's a book or anything. And for example, let's click on book, and then let's click again a website, and then you type everything, and then you add a citation to this thing. Okay, you type everything, and it's good for giving some reference or preference, okay, to something. Explore is the same as this button that we have, so we have it as a Google search. Linked objects, so we see linked objects. For now, we don't have anything, for example, like chart, like that. We have dictionary, and you can search dictionary. You can dictionary something, some word or something you don't know. And that's basically tool. Okay, we have translate document, so we can translate document in another document. Voice typing, it's great, so let's test it right now. Hi, I'm gonna allow so this is me right now. I don't know, I think this is translating and this is typing everything I say, and you can see that it's typing everything I say, and it's cool, and you can use this sometimes to really maybe type something faster or maybe dictating something. So I'm gonna click back. You can choose the language you wanted, any language that is really available, so you can really decide on that. So for now, let's close it. Oh, still writing. Yeah, that's fantastic. So a lot of writing in a quick seconds. Script editor is for script people, not for us. And preference is more options, and it gives us more options for good editing, like automatically capitalize word or use smart art, automatically detect links or automatically detect last, automatically correct the spelling, suggest action items, show link details. And also we have substitutions for this, and that it say whenever you type this one, so it's replaced to this symbol, okay? And it's great. Okay, so that's about the tools and preference. And we have also accessibility options for those that maybe they have some problems, so we can turn on and play around with these options and make the document and Google Doc better for them. So this was the tools that we learned right now: spelling, grammar, word count, review, and all of that. And this is add-ons. We will particularly talk and pick some add-ons to you and help you. And finally, this is the help that you can get most out of it. The one thing that I really sometimes review and I go is keyboard shortcut. Okay, I didn't review these things. I go to keyboard shortcut and I see what shortcut is new or what shortcut is can help me, and that's really better for Mac OS or for a PC. You can decide on that, and their shortcut maybe changes. I don't know, but mostly they don't change. And the good thing is they already did it great. Okay, they go with the text formatting, as you can see right now, and they go with form paragraph formatting shortcut with objects, editing, navigation, menus, and comments. So, and it's a fantastic thing that you can come in here and thing. The cool part and the way you can master shortcut is really say, well, let's not do anymore. Let's not use anymore this button. Instead, let's use what it is its shortcut is. So what shortcut is? Its shortcut is Control Z. Okay, that's how you can build daily one new shortcut on your scale. Okay, decide to use shortcut, not mouse. And okay, so use less mouse and use more keyboard. And the way you can do it is you can click common here and you can go to the keyboard shortcut and then you check it out what it is, and then you decide on that and you really go with that new shortcut, a new way. Okay, it's a shortcut, so it's a very fast way than the mouse, and also it moves your hands, so it's a good exercise as well. Okay, so that's Google Docs. We will talk about the add-ons in the next section.